Guys, good afternoon to everybody and welcome to our channel again. And today is Sunday and today is a Mother's Day. And happy Mother's Day to all mother out there. And of course, the soon to be mom, happy Mother's Day. And today when I got up in the morning, my daughter surprised me with the DIY Mother's Day card. So I will show it to you. I will share it to you what she wrote and what she made for me. So this is what she made. actually, actually at the back, because in the house here we are actually using a recycled paper. So once it can be still used at the back, we're not doing that. So we are using at the back. So in the front, it was all my husband's office work. Okay. And now she made the card. So this is, I don't know if you can see it.
I know Mama's got. I know Mama's got
Okay.
very
So
well.
this is, wait. This is the one she made. She put some color pencil.
Yeah, Mama's favorite
She had
color.
some color pencil. So it's my favorite color is what?
Red.
Red. And then
I know Mama very well.
so this is actually an envelope.
Yep.
Okay. And here she put she wrote gonna see
It says from Isabella to Mama.
yeah, so this is what she bought, and then inside this is another more cut paper here.
Good paper.
So this is how she wrote this is what she wrote.
Ah.
And at the back so my husband's actually office work, so we use at the back.
Look, all my writing is over here.
Yeah, so Isabella will read this for me. Come.
Okay.
I have to read. Okay, come.
Dear Mama, I love you so much. Thank you for taking care of me and loving us so much. Thank you for serving us food, and also thank you for letting me decide what to do in my holiday.
Then what is this?
Happy Mother's Day.
See, this is the one. This is the one
Guys,
actually she wrote for me.
Guys, do you know why I have to put the letters up here? Because basically there was no space for here, writing here. So I just did it like this.
So in this actually in this letter, she's thanking me because actually we have an upcoming Eid holiday, which is like by next week, and it will yeah, this week is the Eid holiday actually, and her class is up to only Sunday and Monday. So Tuesday until Saturday is her off from school. So she has around 5 days holiday. So I make her decide what she wants those 5 days. So she start deciding what she wants. So one of those are we have to go to the where?
Buy my car because I have a camera. Let me show you.
So I bought her a toy cam, but actually you can print on that. And she wanted to go to the beach, and she also wanted to go to the park. And what else more you want to do? She wanted to go to the mall for shopping. And what else more?
I almost hold my camera.
And she gave me 1 day off out of that 5 days her off. She gave me 1 day off to rest at home.
Coming, I'm showing you. I'm showing you.
Show your camera.
It's my camera.
So this is the one I bought. So for this, we need some
Card.
I need some card to put here. I need a SD card. So that is the card when she takes pictures, I can bring to the studio to print out the pictures. So that's why I need the SD card, because she wanted it.
And there's some music in this. It's right here. But it needs card for that.
So in this camera, actually, it has some games. You can also take a picture. You can also take a video.
You know how I did this? You press this up here, and even this part.
Oh, yes.
You can switch it off. And switch it on.
Yeah. And it is also rechargeable.
And it also says no battery to let you know if it's like about to die.
Yeah, so anyway guys, that's all for today. That's all for this vlog.
That's all for today. That's all for today. That's all for today.
Okay, enough na.
Today, that's
So okay, that's all for this vlog guys. We have to end this one. I just want to give my greetings to all mother out there and soon to be a mother to happy Mother's Day. So bye.
Bye bye.